Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to be back today with a hair video. I'm coming here with my dry hair because I'm going to do a deep conditioner. I'm going to do a homemade deep conditioner, and so I start with parting my hair in section to make it very easy for me to work with my kinky hair. To prepare this batter, it's very easy. You just have to take some coconut cream that you can get from the grocery store, from the supermarket, or from a pharmacy like Clicks or dis-chem if you are in South Africa. I use that and I boil it. So you can boil the can to make it hot and apply the cream directly to your hair, or you can boil the milk directly in the pot until the water evaporates and the batter only stays. So you will take that batter and apply it to your hair. It's very moisturizing, very penetrating, very softening. Don't forget to massage your scalp, massage so that you can stimulate your hair follicles and increase your hair growth. Also moisturize your scalp. Your curls will be so defined, so shiny and so soft. I will cover with a plastic cap to generate heat so that the oil can penetrate my hair more. I will use that to co-wash my hair if my hair feels oily after I rinse this mask, and I proceed directly to styling. This is my hair 2 days after this. Curls are still there, they are still nice and soft. If you have tried it already, don't hesitate to tell us in the comment how your hair felt.